Hey guys, I'm Eric.
And Jen's excellent adventure.
And this week's adventure is a little different. It's actually Sunday. We are here in Michigan. We were in Grand Rapids for a wedding. So we thought we'd take a little bit of a roundabout way home and check out a couple things.
We're over here in Holland, Michigan. It's a state park.
Yeah, it's Saugatuck Dunes State Park, which is right on Lake Michigan.
Yep.
So we're just going to explore this area for the day.
Yep, take a little walk and check it out, and we'll take you along with us.
Yeah, and then after this, we're actually going to stop at a place on the way home, Bontrager's RV Surplus. So it's a RV parts surplus store. I guess they got a huge warehouse, all kinds of stuff. We got a list of stuff to look at.
Yeah.
Don't know if we'll actually buy anything, but yeah, we're gonna check that out.
Our wish list.
Yeah.
We're prepared.
Yeah.
Before we came, so yeah, we're excited to check it out.
Yeah. All right, let's get hiking.
All right, see you later.
Summer over desert land where the sun beats down like a cattle brand. No sign of water, but you quench my thirst. You're the only one living, and still you burn. You're a sight to see, so fierce, so free, such a mystery. Keep going your way, don't ever change, baby. I see you shining in a world of shade. Try to steal your color, but you still don't fade. I wanna take you to the after hour. Cactus flower, you're my cactus flower. I see your petals, I see your wildflower side. I wanna see you dancing in that light. I wanna hold you, I wanna pull you close. Keep you warm in the winter when you're out on your own. Such a reckless heart, beauty wrapped in dangerous arms. But I want every part. All the thorns and the scars make you who you are. I see you shining in a world of shade. Try to steal your color, but you still don't fade. I wanna take you to the after hour. Cactus flower, you're my cactus flower. I see you shining in a world of shade. Try to steal your color, but you still don't fade. I wanna take you to the after hour. Cactus flower, you're my
Hey guys, welcome back. So it's been a few days. We got home kind of late that night. So Jay's at work today, so it's just me. Wanted to talk about Saugatuck State Park in Michigan. I'm sure I said that wrong. It was $11 to get in for the day because we're not Michigan residents, and we didn't buy their annual pass for this year. So it was $11, which wasn't too bad. And then you can actually take that receipt and go to any other state park in Michigan that day and get in with that receipt. But the park itself was gorgeous. I think there's maybe 4 trails that kind of went through the woods, and they all kind of looped around by the beach. and you can hear the neighbors with the chainsaws. But you know, you come out of the woods and it just opens up into this, you know, giant white sand beach on Lake Michigan. It just seemed like it went on for miles. Beautiful, you know, sand dunes. You know, we don't have a whole lot of experiences with Michigan state parks, but the ones that we have been to have been really, really nice. I do want to explore Michigan some more. And then after that, we went to Bontrager's RV surplus store in Michigan. That was an interesting place. It probably had 3-4 buildings, and from the video you can see they had everything. I mean, anything you could possibly imagine, and stuff that you can't imagine. Stuff for, you know, tow behinds, class A, B, C. They had everything from rivets and screws all the way up to furniture, fixtures, AC units, fridges. I mean, just absolutely everything. I don't think it's a place I would go out of my way to go to. If you're in the area, maybe stop. But price-wise, they seem to be a little bit cheaper than what you could probably find online. For example, we were looking for an outdoor shower. We were thinking about adding one to the casita here. It was only like maybe $5 cheaper than you would find online. So maybe the other stuff, there's bigger savings. I don't know, but it was pretty cool. I mean, if you're looking for something specific, I'm sure they have it. Yeah, I mean, there was a lot of people there for a Sunday. Actually, for Sunday afternoon, they're open like I think 3 or 4 hours, and it was pretty busy. If you go there and you have your RV with you, they do have a gravel lot across the street you can park in with your RV. So that was kind of nice. But like I said, I don't think I'd go out of my way to go see this place. But other than that, I'm actually kind of getting stuff ready for our next trip, Jenny's birthday weekend. And we're going to go with our friends Ray and Emily from Return of the Weekend. And it looks like it's going to rain all weekend, of course. So keep an eye out for that next video, and between the mustard and the mayo. Bye, guys.